Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the world of quinoa and exploring some delicious recipes that can help you on your weight loss journey. Quinoa is a nutrient-dense superfood that is not only packed with protein and fiber, but is also low in calories. So if you're looking to shed some pounds while still enjoying delicious meals, quinoa is the perfect ingredient for you. Before we jump into the recipes, let's talk a little bit about quinoa. This ancient grain is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies need. It's also high in fiber, which can help keep you feeling full and satisfied, making it a great option for those looking to manage their weight. Quinoa is gluten-free, making it a versatile option for those with food sensitivities, and it's rich in vitamins and minerals such as magnesium, iron, and zinc. Health benefits of quinoa. Not only is quinoa great for weight loss, but it also offers a wide range of health benefits. It can help improve heart health, lower cholesterol levels, and even regulate blood sugar levels. Quinoa is also a good source of antioxidants, which can help protect your body from oxidative stress and inflammation. Incorporating quinoa into your diet can help you feel more energized, improve digestion, and support overall well-being. Recipe 1. Quinoa salad with lemon vinaigrette. Let's kick things off with a refreshing and light quinoa salad with lemon vinaigrette. To make this dish, start by cooking 1 cup of quinoa according to the package instructions. Once cooked, let it cool before mixing it with a variety of colorful vegetables such as cherry tomatoes, cucumber, bell peppers, and red onion. For added protein, toss in some chickpeas or grilled chicken breast. Finally, drizzle over a zesty lemon vinaigrette made with fresh lemon juice, olive oil, garlic, and herbs. This salad is not only satisfying, but also a perfect option for a quick and healthy meal. Recipe 2. Quinoa stuffed bell peppers. Next up, we have quinoa stuffed bell peppers, a flavorful and satisfying dish that is perfect for lunch or dinner. Begin by cutting the tops off of bell peppers and removing the seeds. Cook 1 cup of quinoa and mix it with sautéed onions, garlic, black beans, corn, and a touch of Mexican seasoning. Stuff the quinoa mixture into the bell peppers and bake them until the peppers are tender. Top with fresh avocado, salsa, and a sprinkle of cilantro for a tasty and filling meal that is sure to satisfy your hunger and help you on your weight loss journey. Recipe 3. Quinoa and vegetable stir-fry. For a quick and easy weeknight dinner, try our quinoa and vegetable stir-fry. Start by cooking 1 cup of quinoa and setting it aside. In a hot skillet, stir-fry a colorful mix of vegetables such as broccoli, bell peppers, carrots, and snap peas. Add in the cooked quinoa and season with soy sauce, ginger, and garlic for a flavorful and satisfying meal. You can also add in some tofu or shrimp for extra protein. This stir-fry is not only delicious, but also a great way to get in your daily dose of vegetables while keeping your calorie intake in check. Recipe 4. Quinoa breakfast bowl. Who says you can't enjoy quinoa for breakfast? Our quinoa breakfast bowl is a hearty and nutritious way to start your day. Cook 1 cup of quinoa and mix it with almond milk, cinnamon, and a touch of honey. Top with fresh berries, sliced bananas, chopped nuts, and a dollop of Greek yogurt. This breakfast bowl is not only delicious, but also a great way to kickstart your metabolism and keep you feeling full until lunchtime. It's a perfect option for those looking to fuel their day with a nutritious and weight loss-friendly meal. In conclusion, quinoa is a versatile and nutritious ingredient that can help support your weight loss goals. Whether you're looking for a light and refreshing salad, a hearty stuffed pepper, a quick and easy stir-fry, or a nourishing breakfast bowl, quinoa has got you covered. By incorporating these quinoa recipes into your meal planning, you can enjoy delicious meals while still making progress towards your weight loss journey. We hope you give these recipes a try and let us know which one is your favorite. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more healthy and delicious recipes. Thanks for watching.